My Onan 7000 generator just makes a buzzing noise when I try and start it. Could this be that the starter is not engaging?
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Onan generator? How old is it?
It a 94 pace arrow, not real sure when it was serviced.
How long has this been going on with your Onan generator? What have you tried so far?
It just started doing this. I tried the old tap on the starter trick, did not work lol.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It ran fine before this. I live in it year-round.
Hello, my name is I am going to assist you with this. A buzzing sound when trying to start the genset is a sign that not enough battery current is getting to the start solenoid. First, make sure your house batteries are turned on at the master disconnect if you have one. Check the battery cables to make sure all connections are clean and tight. If neither of these is the problem, you likely have a bad battery and will need to take it in to have it tested.
Wow, now that I think about it, I did switch the battery around from main to O. I switched them back and check it. That's probably why my jacks aren't coming down.
That could definitely do it.
You're a rock star or just a dumbass lol.
Let's go with Rockstar. I'm glad it was something that's simple and that no parts were needed. Thank you for using JustAnswer, and please take a moment to rate my assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.